Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Do you know who am I? I am Girija Kumari, working as English and Life Skills Trainer in GTW AH School, Doksila from Vizianagaram district. Before going into today's topic, let me ask you how you are utilizing your holidays? Are you wasting time? Are you using it properly? I think most of the students don't know the importance of time. But these are golden days, children. You never get these in future. So without wasting it, you can use it to do creative things, or you can learn new things, or you can try to become perfect in the areas in which you are backward. Students, I am here again to introduce a new topic, Creative Me. If you listen to this properly, then you can use it in these holidays. Okay, children, let's start. What is the meaning of creativity? Creativity means the ability to imagine or invent something new. In fact, it is not the ability to generate new ideas by combining, changing, or reapplying existing ideas. It is all about to think new or different. Creative thinking is a new way of seeing or doing things that is character of four components, namely fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration. Now let me give you one example. Do you know, children? This is about a girl who is painting a dinosaur, as you can see in the picture given. Actually, she is given paints and papers and asked what she can do with those. Then, with her creative thoughts, she prepared a dinosaur and painted it. Isn't it looks creative? So, from this, we can say that creativity is the ability to think special and invent new. So, my dear students, now I am going to test you with an activity. This activity includes the use of scale in various ways by the students. See, can you tell me what it is and tell me for what you use it? I think most of you are going to answer me that it is used for measuring things. But there are other uses for the scale. You must have to think. Okay, children? I will tell you about where I used the scale. I once used it to support a window that did not shut properly in the class. Now it's your turn, students. Now tell me where you use this. Okay? I am giving you 10 minutes to think all the possible ways in which you use the scale. Don't limit your ideas. Don't think whether they are right or wrong. Just note down your ideas one by one in your notebooks and share them with me and the rest of students. Do you know, children? A lot of inventions are the ideas that were taken forward. So don't neglect your ideas. They can show a path for your success. Note down every idea that you come up with. Okay, now I am going to share a story about a Swiss scientist who invented Velcro. His name is George de Mestral. One day he went for a walk in the woods along with his dog. When he came home, he noticed that his dog's coat and his pant were covered with thorny flowers, and he was very curious about that. He studied under microscope and discovered its natural hook-like shape. Then he came up with the idea of a two-sided fastener, one side with stiff hooks and other side with soft loops like the fabric of his pants. Here, another invention. Students, let me tell you. Have you ever heard about a scotch tape? It is a tape invented by a scientist named Richard Drew. In 1923, Richard Drew joined the 3M company where the sandpaper was made. While he was testing 3M sandpaper at a local auto garage, he came across the auto painters who were having a hard time making clean dividing lines on two color paint jobs. It inspired Drew to invent the world's first scotch tape in 1925 as a solution to the auto painters. Here you can see the pictures of two scientists who invented scotch tape and velcro. So, from the above two inventions, it is clearly observed that their thoughts and ideas lead to their inventions. Do you know, children? You have a lot of creativity in you. I think you haven't observed that, like in rainy days, you have done so many paper boats to make them float in the water. And you might have done paper fishes, 4 cups, etc. Along with those, what you have done, you can do some creative things like butterflies, flowers, and shark. So, students, not only these, you can try to make other creative things like paintings, story writing, and storytelling, etc. I hope every one of you must have eaten ice creams a lot of times. Most of you have thrown the leftover ice cream sticks. In fact, you can reuse them by making some creative things for your home decoration instead of throwing them. So, children, try to make things by reusing useless things. Like chair, house, and eagle are some things which we can make by using ice cream sticks. In the third example of cardboard sheet are shown, we can make truck, tree, etc. using cardboard sheets. So, my dear students, creative thinking can happen in everyday situations around us, and all of us have the ability to think creatively. Therefore, you should observe all that is happening around us and see if we can think creatively and utilize some things for improving our lives. So, children, try to think creative and succeed in your life. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.